And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning, and when we say isolated showers and storms, this rain map is really what we mean. Some people saw rain, but there were a lot of people that didn't. Harlingen, for example, one of the lucky spots, you got about 4/10 of an inch. A good chunk of Willacy County saw some rain. Again, not super heavy rain, but there was rain around. But then you have eastern Cameron County, the Brownsville area stayed dry. Much of Hidalgo County stayed dry, with the exception of a few little light showers that popped up in northern Hidalgo County. Meanwhile, in Roma, about an inch of rain came down. So clearly some winners and losers yesterday. If you missed out on the rain yesterday, you do have another chance this afternoon. You might get lucky. Or some might get extra lucky and you'll see rain yesterday and you'll see rain today. It just depends on exactly where those showers and storms set up. A whole bunch of rain in the eastern U.S. We saw flash flooding there yesterday, and there is going to be more flash flooding in the days ahead. This very slow moving frontal system, but a front that did make it into the valley. It's actually right over us right now. We know that because you tend to see the bulk of the activity to the south of a cold front. Notice all the activity to the south and east, tons of showers and storms. But behind the cold front, not so much cooler air as drier air. Now, because the front is going to probably stall out just to the south of us, it's going to be in the neighborhood. I do think the bulk of the rain is going to stay to our south, but the front's so close by, so I still think we have the opportunity for some pop-up showers and storms, mainly associated with a sea breeze this afternoon. Now, 7 a.m. still mostly cloudy, but notice by the time we get to 10 a.m., partly cloudy skies. We're going to see some pretty good sunshine today. Still dry at 10 a.m., but starting around 1 o'clock this afternoon, that's when I think some new pop-up showers and storms will begin. It's probably going to peak between about 3 and 5 o'clock this afternoon. Now, today's still going to be hot, but not as hot as yesterday. It's going to feel about 5 degrees cooler. I think the heat index is going to average around 101. By the time we get into the evening hours, the rain's really going to be falling apart. In fact, by 10 o'clock tonight, it's going to be mostly clear. Then a long period during the overnight hours with mostly clear skies, light winds. That will likely lead to some very light fog tomorrow morning. I think patchy fog is in the forecast from about 6 a.m. in the morning until about 9 a.m. morning. After 9 a.m., the fog's going to be gone. And for the rest of the day, it's just going to be mostly sunny tomorrow. And tomorrow, the humidity is going to be remarkably low, lower than it's been in weeks, in fact. It's not super low, not the kind of a low humidity that we see in the fall and winter, but low for this time of year, and that's going to make it feel better. 96, the humidity is still pretty high today, so it's going to feel more like 101. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, isolated showers and storms in the afternoon. Not everybody will see rain, but there will be some showers and storms around. Winds will largely be out of the northeast. That's why we're not going to warm up as much in the afternoon. Check out the low tonight, 73. It's been a while since we've seen the low 70s for our overnight lows. I think it happens tonight, though, with partly to mostly clear skies. And again, with very light winds, I do think some patchy fog will develop late tonight and again, linger till about 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's actually looking pretty nice. That 97 is a normal high temperature for us. The humidity is going to be lower than it has been in quite some time, so I really think it's going to feel like 97 tomorrow. We haven't said that in a while, but I think the heat index is going to be negligible. Now, already by Friday, the humidity is going to start to make a comeback, and as it does, our rain chance will return. It looks like the sea breeze is going to stay pretty active. And anytime you see us say a few showers and storms, that means a 10% chance of rain. When we say isolated showers and storms, that means a 20 to 30% chance. So the weekend doesn't look like a washout, but it does look like there will be some showers and storms around, particularly in the afternoon, kind of like what we're going to see today. But notice those high temperatures staying at or a little bit below normal for this time of year.